Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt from raw milk. Making your own yogurt is a rewarding process, offering a fresh, probiotic-rich food right from your kitchen. We'll cover everything from gently warming your raw milk to adding the essential starter culture. You'll learn the ideal temperatures and times for each step, ensuring a successful and delicious batch. Get ready to enjoy the incredible taste and health benefits of homemade raw milk yogurt. The first crucial step is preparing your raw milk. Gently warm your milk in a clean pot on the stovetop, aiming for a temperature between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This low heat helps activate the milk without destroying its natural enzymes. Be sure to stir occasionally to prevent scorching. Once it reaches this temperature, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool to between 100 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range is perfect for introducing your starter culture. Now for the magic, culturing your milk. For every quart of milk, you'll need about 2 tablespoons of a plain yogurt with active live cultures. Gently whisk this starter into your cooled raw milk until it's fully incorporated. Next, find a warm spot to incubate your mixture, maintaining a consistent temperature between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This could be an oven with the light on, a yogurt maker, or a cooler. Let it culture for 6 to 12 hours. A longer time yields a tangier yogurt. Once your yogurt has incubated, it's time to check if it's ready. Gently tilt the container. If the yogurt pulls away from the sides in a solid mass, it's done. For a thicker, Greek-style yogurt, you can strain it through cheesecloth for a few hours. Then, transfer your delicious homemade yogurt into clean, airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Remember to save a small amount for your next batch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.